Hello, friends. In today's podcast, you know some interesting chemistry facts which blow your mind and make your day. Do you know that the compound responsible for the spicy kick in chili peppers is called capsaicin? Not only does it make your mouth burn, but it also has the potential health benefits like reducing inflation and pain from your body. Water is the only substance on the earth that can exist naturally in all three states, that is, solid, liquid, and gas. At room temperature and pressure, some metals like gold and copper are so soft that they can cut with a knife. A diamond is the hardest naturally occurring substance known, but it is not the strongest. In fact, it is quite brittle and can be shattered easily. Carbon, the element that forms the basis of all known life on Earth, has an incredible ability to bond with other elements. This makes it a versatile building block of molecules of all the shapes and sizes. The periodic table of elements, which is arranges all known elements by their atomic structure and chemical properties, was first published by Russian scientist Dmitry Mendeleev in 1869. The human body contains a range of chemical elements including carbon, oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen, calcium, and iron. In fact, about 99% of the human body is made up of just 6 elements. Chemical reactions can be exothermic, means release heat, or endothermic, means absorb heat. For example, the combustion of gasoline in a car engine is exothermic, while the process of melting ice is endothermic reaction. Many common elements have fascinating properties. For instance, mercury is the only metal that is liquid at room temperature, while bromine is a liquid that evaporates to form a red gas. Chemical reactions are essential for life. They allow us to break down food or other molecules for energy, create new molecules for growth and repair, and perform countless other vital functions. Chemical elements and compounds can have a wide range of practical applications, for providing fuel and energy to creating materials for construction and manufacturing. For example, sodium chloride, also known as table salt, is commonly used to seasoning food, but it is also an important ingredient in the production of chemicals, peppers, and textiles. There are more possible iterations of a game of chess than there are atoms in the observable universe. Element mercury is the only metal that is liquid at room temperature. The smell of rain is caused by a chemical called petrichor, which is released when raindrops hit the ground. The chemical compound capsaicin, which gives chili peppers their spicy taste, can actually help to alleviate pain. When exposed to air, bananas release a chemical called ethylene gas, which can cause other nearby fruits to ripen more quickly. The chemical element gold is so malleable that it can be stretched into a wire that is only 5 atoms wide. Diamonds are not actually the hardest substance on earth. That title belongs to a substance called wurtzite boron nitride. The smell of freshly cut grass is caused by a chemical called cis 3 hexenol, which is also found in cilantro and other plants. The substance that gives grapefruit its bitter taste can actually interfere with certain medications and cause harmful side effects. The chemical element helium is the only element that was first discovered on the sun before it was found on the earth. The chemical compound carbon dioxide is responsible for the greenhouse effect, which is causing global warming and climate change. The element sodium is highly reactive and can catch fire when exposed to water. The substance that gives turmeric its yellow color is called curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory properties. The chemical compound caffeine found in coffee and tea is a stimulant that affects the central nervous system and can improve mental alertness and performance. The element carbon is the basis of all known life on the earth and is found in all organic molecules. The chemical compound nitroglycerin, used in explosives and hurt medications, is highly unstable and can explode if exposed to heat or shock. The substance that gives blueberries their blue color is called anthocyanin, which has antioxidant properties. The chemical compound formaldehyde is a carcinogen and is used in embalming fluids and some building materials. The element mercury is toxic and can cause several severe neurological damage if ingested or inhaled. The chemical compound hydrogen peroxide is a powerful oxidizer and can be used as a disinfectant, bleach or hair bleach. The element carbon can exist in several allotropes including graphite, fluorine and diamond. The chemical compound aspirin, acetylsalicylic acid, is derived from salicylic acid, which is found in willow bark or has pain relieving properties. The element oxygen makes up about 21% of the Earth's atmosphere and is essential for respiration in humans and other animals. The chemical compound table salt NaCl is made up of sodium and chlorine ions and is essential for human health. The element gold is highly resistant to corrosion and is used in jewelry, coins and electronic devices. Chemical compound citric acid is found in citrus fruits and is used as a preservative and flavor enhancer in food and drinks. The element iron is essential for human health and is found in hemoglobin, the protein in red blood cells that carries oxygen. The chemical compound benzene is a carcinogen and is found in gasoline and some other solvents. The element uranium is used as a fuel in nuclear reactors and can also be used to make nuclear weapons. The element helium is the second most abundant element in the universe but is relatively rare on the earth. The compound adrenaline epinephrine is a hormone produced by the body that increases heart rate and blood pressure in response to stress or danger. The element chlorine is highly reactive gas and is used as a disinfectant in water treatment and as a bleaching agent in paper and textile production. The chemical compound penicillin, discovered by Alexander Fleming in 1928, revolutionized medicines by providing the first effective treatment for bacterial infections. The element mercury is the only metal that is liquid at room temperature and is used in thermometers, barometers, and fluorescent lights. The chemical compound acetic acid, found in vinegar, is used as food preservative and as a cleaning agent. The element potassium is essential for plant growth and is also important for nerve and muscles functions in human and other animals. The chemical compound methamphetamine meth is a highly addictive stimulant drugs that can cause severe health problems and is illegal in many countries. The element carbon is the fourth most abundant element in the universe and is found in all non-life forms. The chemical compound nitrous oxide, also known as laughing gas, is used as an anesthetic and as a recreational drug, but can also cause serious health problems if misused. The chemical compound dopamine is a neurotransmitter that plays a key role in the brain's reward system and can affect mood, motivation, and other aspects of behavior. The element gold has been prized for its beauty, rarity for thousands of years and is used in jewelry, coins, and other decorative objects. The chemical compound aspartame is popular artificial sweetener that is used in many diet sodas and other low-calorie foods. The element oxygen is essential for life and make up about 21% of the Earth's atmosphere. Friends, we know many interesting chemistry facts and there are so many other interesting facts which you can learn from our website www.chemistrynotesinfo.com. So link is in the description of this podcast, so go to the website and learn more. Thank you. We will meet with other interesting facts, other interesting knowledge and notes in the upcoming podcast. Thank you to listening this podcast. This podcast is produced by chemistrynotesinfo.com.